There's a slow worm. I've not really seen one of these before, and he was wiggling his way across the road. And I thought, no, he needs rescuing. I'm not sure he's in a right good place now. So, Mr. Slow Worm. Hello, I've never picked up one of these before, and he's right wriggly. Come on, come on. Oh, this is weird. Come on then. Let's take him over here. I'm going to put you in some grass. I'm a bit worried you might get run over there. That's not the best place for you, eh? There you go, some grass over here. Go and wriggle around over there, eh? There you go. Where is he? Can't see him now. Pitch black movie. I'm in Water Lane. It's 11 o'clock at night. There's some really strange noises going on. I don't know what animal it is, what bird it might be. No idea. Could it be an otter? No. Sounds more like a bird than an otter, but we do have otters here. They're sighted on the infrared cameras at night. Well, this is rather unusual. This rather large insect flew down, landed on my leg, and has been here for the best part of 5 minutes. It did have wings, which are now tucked away under its exoskeleton. And I don't know what it is. I do believe it's a cockchafer. When I went on a sort of walking holiday with Alexander last August, we were not attacked exactly, but they were flying all around us when we were doing the South Downs Way walk, making this incredible humming noise and sounding like we were in a swarm of bees or something. And they were large, they were very large. I'm just wondering if this is what it is. I don't know, it could be. Anyway, I've got to carry on walking. I don't know if it's going to come with me. I don't know if I should shoo it away. But clearly it likes me. So I'm glad somebody does. Anyway, that's it. There it is on my jeans. Hello there, little fella. Little big fella. Let's say hello. Hello there. Hello, little fella. Oh, he likes that. His little feelers are moving around. I don't know if he can feel anything because his shell's quite hard. He's lifted his head up though. Very strange this. Hello, little fella. Hello there. I've now got him on my fingers to get some sense of his size. He's very big, and his wings are now tucked under his shell. From my memory, I think cockchafers are actually not very good in people's gardens. So perhaps I better put him somewhere where he's not going to be in someone's garden. I've got to get on now, but he's just sitting on my finger now. It's really strange. Hey, hello, little fella. It's quite happy there. Little bird here. I don't know what he is. He opened his bill before. He's a young one. I assume waiting for his mummy to feed him, but it's really strange that he's sat here not flying away. And there's flies on him. Sweet little bird, aren't you? Hey, a sweetie pie. I don't know if there's anything the matter with him though. He can't fly or anything. Hey, sweetie pie. Hey? Nice little bird. Very unusual place to let him stroke. He did try pecking me before though. I haven't got any food, and I haven't even got any water. I've literally just finished the last drop in my flask, or else I'd offer him a drink. Anyway, makes a change to the sky. Bird watching. There's a little hedgehog down here. Little garden hedgehog. Hello, little hedgie. He was having a rustle around before. Let's move the camera a bit closer. Hello, little hedgehog. Hello. Are you going to go walkabout? No, he's going to sit very, very still. Can you see me, Mr. Hedgehog? He's lying very, very still. Can you see him breathing? Can you see his body going up and down? Actually, I can see his heart beating. Boom, 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 boom. Have you not seen a hedgehog?
I've seen a dead one.
Oh, well, actually, your mum was telling me about hedgehogs the other day. There's one in the garden. You can put food out for them. Little hedgehog. Very close to you now. Hello. Hello. Let me see your nose going. Snuffle, snuffle, snuffle. There you go. Yeah. You won't have picked up a hedgehog. You don't know how prickly they are. They are so, so prickly. You have to put gloves on to pick them up. Hello, sweetie pie. Hello. Oh, that's unusual for a little hedgehog to stay so still. Hey? That's just so weird. What's happened to him? Looks like he's hurt his eye. Oh dear. Hey, sweetie pie. I'm filming you. Yes, I am. There's something not quite right, is there, little hedgehog, eh? What's not right, little hedgehog, eh? Sweetie pie, you're all prickles. Just come around the other side. It's not in the best place here anyway. It's someone's blinking drive. I'm going to get run over. Just have a look round here a minute and see. Oh my goodness me, what's going on here? Oh dear, dear, dear. Something going on here. He's got what looks like maggots. He's got something going on. It's obviously been wounded. Oh dear, poor little hedgehog. Flying around and keeps landing back here all the time. I'm not, I'm just filming it, flapping its wings. I'm surprised I'm really, really close now. It hasn't flown away yet. Hello, little flutterby. Hello. Right, where is he now? There's a fox just around here. Where has he gone? I've just seen him. Is he up there by the bins? Yeah, that's him there. Blimey. He's just by the bin. He's just trotting off now. Oh my goodness me. You won't see a thing on this camera.